So till now we have created the Angular application with the help of Angular CLI, and we have seen how we have installed the Angular CLI node and started with the Angular application, and we have also seen how we have created the Angular component. So now in this video we are going to learn what the interpolation is. So we already know that whatever we display in HTML is inside the HTML file with the help of HTML tags, and suppose that we want to display some dynamic element, then we need to utilize the interpolation functionality. So interpolation functionality is used to display that data dynamically. Let us go and give some data that will display in our HTML view. Suppose that here I am giving user type equals to admin, and here in HTML page I am trying to give user type inside the braces we have typed that particular variable name. So here it is giving you the value of that particular user type. Now if I am changing this to guest, then it goes on changing to guest. Now what if we want to do some extra functionality? Let us see what we can do. Suppose that I am typing welcome and concatenating that to that particular variable, then it is showing you that particular value along with your variable value name. Now what if I am trying to do some mathematical operation? Suppose that I am trying to give 5 plus 8. That is giving me the addition of that particular values. Now let us see what if I am trying to do a equals to 5 plus 8, then what will happen? You can see we are getting some error, and you can see in your console that binding cannot contain the assignment, and this is what it is trying to explain, that you have applied some binding to your HTML that is not possible in this scenario. Let me go on and remove this particular operation. Now you can see your value has been updated. So the basic use of interpolation is like when you have the set of things that need to be displayed in your UI, that value changes from time to time, and based on the value that is coming from your database and whatever value you want to combine and interpolate them in the HTML view, then you can better utilize the interpolation, and with the help of its curly braces you can define the value that can be changed over here from time to time based on some functionality with the help of click or any other event flow. So that's all about interpolation. Thank you so much.